Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I am so excited to tell you why I am thrilled with these tabletop fire pits from GARDENIX Decor. I think fire pit is not an accurate description of how beautiful these are. They're so aesthetically pleasing. I just love the dark color on them, and the bamboo base I think is just beautiful. My favorite thing about these though is how portable they are. We have used them outside and it's so nice and cozy to have one in front of you while you enjoy the sunset or a starry night sky. But I think the best way to use these is indoors. Because they're so lightweight and portable, I was even able to take them to a friend's house and the kids just loved roasting marshmallows. And because they come two to a set, each of the kids could have their own fire pit to roast the marshmallow on, and I thought that that was just great. These put off a really decent amount of flame and warmth for being so small. The kit also comes with two expandable roasting forks, and these get really long, so I really like that because if you have a child or something, you don't want them to get too close to the fire, they can still have fun with it and be able to roast their marshmallow. I think they look really good just on a side table, even when they're not in use. The flame does leave a little bit of ash along the top of the concrete, which I think actually adds to the way that it looks, but you can easily wipe that off with a paper towel or something else. I really just love the atmosphere that these bring to our home and how I can take them over to friends' houses and use them if I want to as well. They're really good quality, and that's my point of view.